guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys had an amazing 4th of July. I'm excited because today we are going to be doing my second video for the week of just huge PR unboxings. I've had a lot of things kind of stashed back and I wanted to make sure that I'm up and current with you guys so I can start doing more reviews on upcoming makeup. My plan is to still haul some, but really just focus on reviews. But anyways, I'm excited. Really quick before we get started, if you're new, hello, welcome. Would love for you to stay around and subscribe to my channel down below so you're notified for future videos from me. I typically post 3 times a week. That schedule's changing up a little bit, so just click the bell so you're notified. All right, I'm excited for these packages, so let's dive in. First one, I actually just opened it up. Whoa! For the thumbnail. Sorry, I just dropped something. This is the, and I got a hair in my mouth. This is the Natasha Transfix Concealer. And you guys, there's so many freaking shades. Oh my gosh. Oh, I don't feel like counting all that. I wonder if it has it on the thing. How many are there? 23 neutral colors. So pretty. I'm so excited to try this out. I'm normally like a neutral yellow, which would be the number 6. So let me just actually swatch this. And it says, ultra light smooth blendable medium full coverage modern matte concealer made with exclusive micronized pure pigments with a flexible formula. Absolutely transfer proof, stays comfortable and in place all day. It is anti-aging, antioxidant protection, surface detoxification, high-tech hydration, hyaluronic acid and collagen to soothe and plump fatigued skin. Can be used as a foundation in 23 neutral and color correcting shades. Boom. What else would you want? Okay, let's try number 6 out, and then I will try this in like a video, but I want to swatch this on my hand. Now, I've been doing, this probably is going to be way too light for me right now, actually. I keep forgetting how tan I am. Let's try warm yellow, which is a 9. I lately have actually just been using powder foundation. I've actually lately been using powder foundation. I could not get this out to save my life. Recently, and I feel like just having a really nice concealer for under the eyes would make it look even better because I haven't been doing that. Ooh, yeah. So here's that. That is the number 9. It is supposed to be a warm yellow, but it is really full coverage. Let's see what it looks like when you blend it in. Still looks really good on the skin. So I'm excited. Thank you so much to Natasha and the Natasha team for that package. Okay, I do not want to forget to give a shout out to Toki Cosmetics. They sent over this package, and I cannot remember what I was doing it, but I opened it the other day and didn't keep the box, but it says, love it. I love it. Oh, that's so funny. Okay, just now got that. Yes, that was me just now getting it. Okay, so they have 2 different products, or are they the same product? Oh, no, yeah, they're different. So this is the Brow Powder Micro, and then this one is the Brow Powerful. So this one has a slant to it, and then the other one doesn't. But I've always been really interested in these. They're supposed to be like a universal taupe shade. So I might keep these and try them out and see, you know, just what they're about. See if they actually work. Have you guys used them? Let me know down below. Like, are they really universal, or am I going to be like, no. No, ma'am. Oh, and then they also sent over another one. So 3 different brow pencils from Toki Cosmetics. Thank you guys so much for that package. Okay, next package we have came from, I think this is a PR company. It does say Physicians Formula, so maybe it is from them. Okay, so it says powder up with mineral wear loose powder and mineral wear 3-in-1 setting powder from Physicians Formula. Oh, that is so cute. They have like, it looks like a bronzer, a blush, and a highlight, potentially. So let's open this up. Ooh, they sent over a bunch of different shades. I don't think I've really received PR from them before. I really want to try some of their foundations, so let me get all this out. So first thing we have, oh, this is so cool. It is the Mineral Wear 3-in-1 setting powder, and it has like 3 different shades. So you see it kind of has like a blush, a bronzer, and like a powder. So cool. Then we have all of these different Mineral Wear loose powders. So we have translucent. They have and it says Mineral Wear Powder Creamy Natural. We have the Deep Cocoa. So at least they're actually coming out in quite a few different shades. We have some more darker ones. So Warm Honey, which might be what I would be. Then we have Golden Caramel, Sand Beige. And lastly, we have medium beige. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different shades of the Mineral Wear powder. So So let's see what it says. It is a talc-free and paraben-free loose powder that provides a smooth, buildable sheer to medium coverage that diminishes the appearances of imperfections and delivers an impeccable soft satin finish. You know, these people that write these, they just are like, yes, give it to me. Give me all that. That sounds amazing in a powder. So thank you so much to Physicians Formula for that package. Okay, next up we have a package from Toki Cosmetics. I wonder if this is concealers. It kind of feels like. Ooh, it says, hey gorgeous, we are excited to share with you our Crystal Fusion Liquid Shadows. Available next month for a limited time in select stores. Y'all know I love a good eyeshadow, a liquid eyeshadow. Yes, ma'am. Oh my gosh, these literally look so freaking beautiful. Okay, contain yourself. I have got to swatch these. Okay, the first one is Aurora. A pretty pink shade like y'all don't even know. Oh, it's so pretty. There's that. It's kind of like sheer, so just be mindful. It is a little bit on the sheer side. You see? Oh, beautiful. I'm gonna swatch this one because I feel like I would actually get quite a bit of use out of this one. This is called Polaris. Very pretty. And then I'm just gonna swatch one more, which is another pinky, and this one's called Supernatural. I mean, look at how pretty this shade is. Again, very pretty. It's kind of sheer, so let's just see. You know, y'all know how I get. Let's just see what it looks like. I do kind of need a mirror for this. Here's a ColourPop mirror. I mean, I feel like it matches with my eye look, so why not? It's just like it takes it to the next level. Yes! I'm like feeling this eyeshadow look. I'm not even gonna try to lie to y'all. I mean, it doesn't really like change the color a whole lot, I don't feel like, but it just adds like, I don't know, some just like extra pop to it. I like it. And these are probably really inexpensive. Toki Cosmetics, their brand, like in general, has really affordable prices. And then we have some other shades. Again, I'm gonna put some of these to the side for you guys, but thank you so much to Toki for that package. Okay, next we have a package from LOreal. And I don't think I've ever received PR from them, which is so exciting. Gosh, I thought I got something on my shirt. I was like, I'm just gonna show y'all these one more time before I swatch them all. Okay, let's see what they sent over. Ooh, well, this is a very beautiful package. It says, Danielle, excited to share our newest eyeshadow palette available at ultaLorac.com, the Neon Pro Pressed Pigments palette, inspired by the show-stopping light that neon excludes. We can't wait for the looks that you create. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And it has like matching packaging, like not packaging, but y'all know what I mean. Okay, so here is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. It's like a smaller version, I feel like, than their normal Pro palettes. The Pro palettes are, I think, a little bit thinner but longer. Ooh. Oh no. I'm gonna have to see if I can push this down enough to repair it. Okay, so here is what the palette looks like. I don't want to push it too far because this shade right here was broken. But really pretty shades. I do want to try this out. These colors right here look really, really beautiful. So thank you so much to LOreal for that package. Okay, next we have a package from Essence. Ooh, it says Splash the Lash. It says, Danielle, splash the lash this summer with the most anticipated launch, Lash Princess Waterproof Mascara. The OG favorite that you know and love is ready for summer and all of your adventures. From the gym to the beach and everywhere in between, wear it, tag it, and show how you splash the lash. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. They literally sent over like a little like drop of water package. Oh my gosh, it says it's finally here. So this must be one of their, oh shoot. Oh crap, I was supposed to. Okay, well I totally broke the package. Way to go. I was supposed to go like this, but I went like that. Splash the lash. So this says, it says false lash effect waterproof. Really cute packaging, and thank you so much to Essence for that package. I haven't actually tried out their mascaras, but a lot of people say that they're really, really good. Have you guys tried them out? Let me know down below. Okay, the very next package, ooh, came from L'Oreal Paris. Oh my gosh, I hope this is what I think it might be. It's probably not. I saw somebody get some of their lipsticks the other day. I think I just saw it tonight on Snapchat. And one of them was like this really pretty pink, and it looked so nice. That's what it is. It says indulge in sweet confection for a full matte perfection. Oh, yes. I love these. They're so freaking good. And oh my gosh, these are a lot of colors that I love. Oh. And it says macaroons liquid lipstick. Okay. This one right here, Guava Gush. It is like calling my name. I have to try it on. Why can I not get anything out of the package today? Like literally not one thing. Here we go. It's like one of my favorite lipsticks. And it smells so good. I'll never forget the first year I went to New York for Gym Beauty. I had one of these. I can't remember the color, but I literally wore it all day and all night. And it lasted forever. I think at this point. Can't really see. Oh yeah, it's so cute. Thank you so much to L'Oreal for that package. Oh my gosh, that's so crazy. I didn't even see that they sent me this. And when I saw her post it, I was like, oh my gosh, I so hope that I get that. So thank y'all so much. This is why I had to go ahead and get these unboxed for you guys, because I've had these, I think I've had this package for like a week or two, and like I need to start using this stuff so I can review it for y'all, because that's what my job is. Okay, very next package. Oh, it's Urban Decay. So it says UD Summer Vibes on Lock All-Nighter Limited Edition Summer Set. Sets makeup for 16 hours. Ooh, very pretty. I don't know if this is like a new flavor. Oh yeah, it says scented. Long-lasting makeup setting spray. So this is the newest one by Urban Decay. Thank y'all so much for that package. I feel like I put that lipstick on and like my lips are a little bit dry. They were so glossy before, but this is like definitely a matte. Okay, you guys, that is going to complete this last huge mail haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, I love you so, so much. Thank you for watching and supporting, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.